point is on the west side of the building. I can't go in through the roof. Get us out toward the wall.
You fuck around while I'm out there. I'll climb back up this rope and strangle you with it. Yeah.
Next, I'll have this thing so far up your ass, your tonsils will be playing shadow puppets. You think we can't do that? We can. It's in our guidelines.
I don't know what you're talking about. I installed cinema equipment, not surveillance.
Grab his other arm.
No.
You think you're impenetrable?
No.
See how you feel with this is 18 inches deep inside. Get the lube. Actually, fuck the lube. Let's... Who the fuck is this? Terminate him! Close this problem right now!
Yeah, I can use a little backup here.
Get me the station chief! I'm not finished with Mr. K!
Hey, I got 3 guys in here. More on the way.
Drop it! Drop the gun!
What the hell is going on?
We do not have clearance to engage!
Come on, like I said, back up.
Help me!
36 flow, I got you.
We are not cleared to fire on Mr. K!
Shit!
Slow down!
Come on, man!
Don't shoot me!
Come on, get off me! We got a window, T! Pull us out!
Cut him down, people!
Yeah!
Shots are coming from across the street!
Don't drop me! Don't drop me!
Relax! You're strapped on!
We need the asset intact!
Hey, we need to be clear of this building! There's guys shooting at you, Mikey! That's unfinished business! Clean it up! We'll move on! You damn softy!
Hey, I can't get a shot at this last dude, man. You gotta take his ass out.
Why me? Why me?
Hey, get the fuck out the way, Mike.
Oh, my God!
Get us out of here!
Roger that. Whoa! Looks like we've attracted the attention of their air unit. You got a bogey coming at you, Franklin.
Shit!
You're in breach of the U.S. Constitution. Lethal force will be utilized.
I ain't gonna miss his ass. Hey, the chopper's down, homie.
Good work. I don't want to disturb you, Mike, but you might want to do something about the choppers before we're blown out of the sky. Just saying. You got the wrong chopper, that's us!
Oh, shit! Shit! I'm gonna fall!
Just strap in, you'll be fine! Land immediately or your aircraft will be... forcibly grounded. No one will know the sacrifice they made. So long, sucker!
I'm slipping! I'm stuck!
You're good! Sit back and enjoy the ride! All clear! Set us down at that lot! That's a permanent squadron leader! Hey, Frank! They ain't got their eyes in the sky. You can clear out of there.
Who are you people?
That doesn't matter.
They said they were government. I do home theater. I'm not a...
I don't care who you are.
Then why are you doing this to me?
Hey, hold tight. I got some friends with the Bureau. They'll explain everything.
You saved me. Thank you. Thank you.
Don't mention it.
The Bureau. The FIB. They will make everything okay?
I'm sure. Don't worry. They'll look after you.
The things those people did to me. I'm an American citizen.
Yeah, well, that don't seem to matter too much. Put her down in the lot, Trevor.
Let's go. Where are we? You go easy on him. Thank you. Oh my, he saved me. Hey, hey. No, huh? No, 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 no.
Hey, I said easy. Oh, come on, give the guy a break. All right, we'll get out of this shit.
Ha ha! In bed with the Bureau?